Hey there, gearheads! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping numbers behind Audi Sport GmbH's latest powerhouses, the RSQ8 Performance and the updated RSQ8. These figures will blow your mind, so let's get right into it. First up, let's talk power. The RSQ8 is packing a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers a massive 600 PS and 800 Newton-meters of torque. That's enough to launch this beast from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. But wait, it gets even better with the RSQ8 Performance. This bad boy ups the ante with 640 PS and 850 Newton-meters of torque, cutting the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time down to a blistering 3.6 seconds. These are some serious supercar numbers in an SUV body. Moving on to top speed. The RSQ8's standard electronically limited top speed is 250 kilometers per hour. But if you're a true speed demon, you can opt to increase that to 280 kilometers per hour, or even a mind-bending 305 kilometers per hour. The RSQ8 Performance hits that 305 kilometers per hour right out of the box, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. Now, let's get into handling and suspension. Both models feature adaptive air suspension sport, which can adjust the ride height by up to 90 millimeters. Plus, with the optional electromechanical active roll stabilization, EAWS, these SUVs minimize body roll and keep you glued to the road, even in tight corners. The all-wheel steering adds agility, allowing the rear wheels to turn up to 1.5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front wheels at high speeds, and up to 5 degrees at lower speeds, reducing the turning radius and enhancing maneuverability. Next, let's talk about those stunning wheels. The RSQ8 comes standard with 22-inch light alloy wheels, while the RSQ8 Performance offers exclusive 23-inch light alloy wheels that are forged and milled for optimal brake cooling. These wheels also reduce unsprung mass by about 5 kilograms each, improving throttle response and handling. And how about braking power? The RSQ8 features ventilated composite brake discs, 420 millimeters in the front and 370 millimeters in the rear, with the option for an RS ceramic brake system. The RSQ8 Performance comes standard with the RS ceramic brakes, featuring 440 millimeters discs in the front and 370 millimeters in the rear. These brakes offer incredible stopping power and come in gray, red, or blue to match your style. The lighting on these beasts is next level too. Both models come with Matrix LED headlights, and you can upgrade to HD Matrix LEDs with Audi Laser Light. The digital OLED rear lights feature 5 digital light signatures and a proximity indication feature for added safety. Finally, let's not forget the Nürburgring Nordschleife lap record. The RSQ8 Performance has set a new record for the fastest SUV on this legendary track, clocking in at 7:36.698 minutes. That's over 2 seconds faster than the previous record holder, and almost 6 seconds quicker than the previous RSQ8 model. These numbers are not just impressive, they're game-changing. The RSQ8 and RSQ8 Performance are redefining what high-performance SUVs can do. If you're looking for power, speed, and cutting-edge technology, these new RSQ8 models are the ultimate choice. That's it for today's breakdown of the impressive numbers behind Audi's latest RSQ8 models. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below on which number impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.